Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reading Filling the Blanks Real Exam Question Series. This is 57th video in this series. It means that we have already covered 56 highly repetitive and real exam questions जो बहुत सारे students को real paper में आए भी हैं. And first things first, now PTE is accepted in UK, so you can study, work or settle in UK using PTE, and 90% of universities in Canada now accept PTE academic. And this is my scorecard. My name is Bhrat Brij. I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. And in this PTE series of videos, we help you so that you guys can also achieve the same level or the same target score, whatever your target score is. May it be 65, 79. With our strategies, tips and tricks, you can easily achieve your target score in the next attempt. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. And PT reading is of 32 to 41 minutes and it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47 marks and it has 5 question types, and reading filling the blanks is the second last question in the order. So you have to manage your time. अब कितना time देना है एक reading blank को we are going to see. But if you are a regular subscriber or you watch our videos regularly, then you know the answer already. And the real PT reading scoring, the reading filling the blanks, they are of 15 marks. In 15 marks में it means that अगर आपको 5 reading filling the blanks आते हैं, they will be of 3 marks each. अब टाइम कितना देना होता है एक ब्लैंक को सॉल्व करने के लिए? You can give a maximum of 2 to 2.5 minutes. क्या इसमें आपको सारे words पढ़ने होते हैं? The answer is no. What you need to do is you need to perfect the art of skimming, and we teach our students how to skim because 2.5 minutes में it's not possible कि आप सारे के सारे words को पढ़ के समझ सको. And this is our today's topic. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this. After that, we are going to get started. Okay, so you know that first thing we do is we skim it. We skim to understand its gist. Gist means overall central idea. Tone positive है, negative है, neutral है, and the tenses present tense है, past tense है या future tense है. So let's get started with the skimming. Many famous geographers and non-geographers have attempted to define the discipline in a few short words. The concept has also changed throughout the ages, making it difficult to create a something universal geography definition for such a dynamic and all-encompassing subject. After all, Earth is a big place with many dash to study. It affects and is affected by the people who live there and use it something. But basically, geography is the study of dash of the earth and people who live and all that encompasses. Encompasses का मतलब होता है includes, जैसे हम बात करते हैं कि all that it includes. And now it's यहाँ पे आपकी geography से related बात हो रही है, right? So we are going to see it and we are going to solve this blank now. The second thing which we need to do is now after skimming it, हम parts of speech classification करते हैं options की because it is very helpful. So compromise क्या होता है? Compromise it can be a noun as well as verb. Comprise मतलब किसी चीज का होना बनना. So it's going to be a verb. Concise definition जिसको हम precise accurate definition कहते हैं. Concise definition क्या है? Noun है. तो कंसाइज उसकी विशेषता बताता है. अगर विशेषता बताता है इट्स गोइंग टू बी एडजेक्टिव. फेसेट्स क्या होता है? बेसिकली फेसेस. जैसे एक फेस होता है, बहुत सारे किसी चीज के चेहरे होते हैं, उसका एक चेहरे की बात होती है. सो इट्स अ नाउन. failed attempt. Verb you can say, but more or less it's like your adjective. Surface. Surface is your noun. Resources, again noun and plural noun. Sourceful, it's going to be adjective, right? जैसे हम resourceful की बात करते हैं. Okay. Now we have done parts of speech classification. Now we have to solve the things. It is difficult to create a dash. Always remember, first we apply the grammar rules and then we read 3-4 words before the blank, after the blank, so that it makes a sense. Making it too difficult to create a dash, comma, universal geography definition. अब अगर आपको ग्रामर रूल पता है, यहाँ पे अगर कॉमा से पहले ब्लैंक है, यहाँ पे आपका यूनिवर्सल क्या है, एडजेक्टिव है, ज्योग्राफी डेफिनेशन क्या है, नाउन है, तो कॉमा से पहले भी क्या होगा, आपका एडजेक्टिव ही यूज होगा. अब हमारे पास एडजेक्टिव्स कौन कौन से हैं, कंसाइज है, सोर्सफुल है. अब डेफिनेशन क्या होती है, कंसाइज डेफिनेशन हो सकती है, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ कॉलोकेशंस. बट you see, using process of elimination means we are going to eliminate the wrong options and we are going to see the right ones. अब अगर आपको बेसिक ग्रामर की नॉलेज है कि यहाँ पे आपका एक एडजेक्टिव फिल होना है, you can eliminate everything else except your adjectives. Okay, so we have these three adjectives: sourceful, failed, and concise. अब कंसाइज यूनिवर्सल ज्योग्राफी डेफिनेशन मेक सेंस. फेल्ड डेफिनेशन हो सकती है, ये तो वैसे ही नहीं हो सकती. कॉनोटेशन या टोन के बेसिस पे आप इसको भी एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. अब सोर्सफुल होगी डेफिनेशन, द आंसर इज नो. So that's why the answer is concise. You see, if you know the grammar, it will be easy. अब Earth is a big place with many dash to study. अब many की connotation क्या होती है, plural, जैसे many problems, something like this. तो अब आपका यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, नाउन आएगा, और नाउन के साथ क्या आएगा, प्लूरल नाउन आएगा. तो वी आर गोइंग टू एलिमिनेट यूजिंग प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन एवरीथिंग एल्स एक्सेप्ट प्लूरल नाउन्स. अब हमारे पास दो ऑप्शंस बचे हैं, मैनी फेसेट्स टू स्टडी और मैनी रिसोर्सेज टू स्टडी. अब कंटेक्स्ट बेस पे, तो अब आप अर्थ इज अ बिग प्लेस, एक बहुत बड़ी जगह है, उसके क्या होंगे, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट चेहरे होंगे. रिसोर्सेज थोड़ी स्टडी किए जाते हैं, resources तो use या consume किए जाते हैं, right? So the only answer which we have is facets. But if you see how easy things can be if you can apply process of elimination plus grammar strategies which are based on parts of speech, कि आपको पता है यहाँ पे आपका plural noun आएगा because many की connotation क्या होती है, plural. So you have to choose between just two and it will be easy for you. Now let's see the next one. Use its something. अब अभी बहुत easy है ये, right? क्या use करते हो आप अर्थ के? The answer is going to be resources. Okay? आप resources use करते हो. Moving on to the next blank. But basically geography is the study of dash of earth. Geography किस चीज की स्टडी होती है, अर्थ के. कॉम्प्रोमाइज की नहीं, कंप्राइज की नहीं, फेल्ड की नहीं, सरफेस की, यस, सोर्सफुल भी नहीं हो सकता. ओके, तो ज्योग्राफी इज द स्टडी ऑफ सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ. वैसे भी ये डेफिनेशन में ही होता है, राइट, कि हम ज्योग्राफी में हम सरफेस, अर्थ की सरफेस की स्टडी करते हैं. सो वी आर गोइंग टू सिलेक्ट दिस. नाउ लेट्स सी इफ ऑल द ब्लैंक्स आर करेक्ट. यस, ऑल द ब्लैंक्स आर करेक्ट. So you see, if you know the right strategies, you will be able to solve your reading filling the blanks quickly. And what are our strategies? Our strategies are based on context, lexical resource, and grammar. In context, we do skimming, forward reading, backward reading, tone analysis. All this part is of very high importance. Then lexical resource, collocations, very important, right? Like we have seen today's usage of collocations. Then phrasal verbs, another important. Vocab. Vocab is something which we build slowly and steadily, but you have learned a new word which is encompasses. Okay. Grammar. Now we have a complete grammar course which we teach to our students. For parts of speech, you have seen how important they are. Subject verb agreement, prepositions, modals, articles, determiners. Now you have seen many is a part of determiner, कि many की connotation plural होती है. If you know this, तो easily आप blank solve कर सकते थे. Signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs, plurals, British English rules and sentences. All of this we teach to our students in online as well as offline classes because grammar is very important. ये आपकी रीडिंग में ही हेल्प नहीं करेगी, बट इट्स गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन लिसनिंग एंड राइटिंग ऑल्सो. So grammar is very important, especially if your target is 65 or 79. Remember, you have 2 or 2.5 minutes only to solve one blank, and in first 30 to 60 seconds, आपको content skim करना है. You have to do the parts of speech classification. In the next 90 to 120 seconds, you can use process of elimination and apply the grammar strategies to solve them. And all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students have achieved their target score. So अगर ये students achieve कर सकते हैं, you guys can also score. And these are some of our success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, 81. So if they can score, you can also score. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. So if you have any questions or doubts, you can contact us. If you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.